place. So I'd like you to write, what are the 5 different things you can do with right triangles? Do not say it out loud. See if you can write those out without looking at anything. I'll start landing on people in about 20 seconds. All righty, Joseph, give me one. Come on, who's give me one? One thing you can do with the right triangle. I know, I'll get to you next. Just one. Can do with the right triangle. Hard stuff. We spent 3 weeks on it. That's me encouraging you. I know you can do it, baby. Yes. 90 degrees. Yeah. You got 90 degrees. What can you do with right triangles? Give us one thing. We spent 3 weeks here, kiddo. Okay. 2 weeks. Uh-huh. Have. We'll take it. There we go. Say it with me. 45, 90, leg, root 2. That one. Okay, give me another one. 60, 90, short leg, root 3, short leg times 2. Okay, that's 30, 60, and 90. Fallon, give me another one now. SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. Put parentheses. We use that when we're hunting for sides. Give me another one, Jonathan. Try it again. Spell it out for me, please. Bingo. Have 2 sides, need 3rd side. Fabulous. You guys are so well trained. What's the last one? I'll take a volunteer since obviously, yes, ma'am? Yeah. Inverse. And then SOHCAHTOA. And we use that not for sides, but for bingos. Okay, guys, honestly, those of you who are only 2 or 3, you need to rehearse this on the way home. If I ask you what's your right triangle toolbox, I'm not order, but I expect you to be able to rattle off all 5 of these instantaneously. Okay? Because, like today, just fill in the blanks. If tangent to a radius. If tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. We're going to sing this 3 times. The first time we're just going to sing if tangent to a radius, if tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. Right, now we're going to step it up a bit. Ready? Yeah. I'm sorry, it fits syllabically. If you come up with something better, dear, be my guest. Ready? Now we're going to trace and sing at the same time. Every time you say tangent, trace it, radius, trace it. Sing and trace. If tangent to a radius, if tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. All right, so there's your right angle, which means there's right triangles all over the place. There's one more concept besides that undercover right angle. Is this one? I call it the beach ball. It's super easy. Put your arms out. Okay, arms straight. Ready. You're about to launch in a graduation day, which you wouldn't dare. There are consequences. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. After throw hats, yes. Beach ball, no. Anyways, okay, hold your beach ball. Ready? Tap the beach ball. Say tangent, tangent. Your arms are now a tan angle. Look at the length of your arms. That's how hard that is. Okay, so when you have a tan angle, for our use and illustration, here's your hand touching the beach ball. Hand touching the beach ball. The arms of a tan angle are congruent. We're going to do 3 examples together, actually 2.5. Go to the front of today's notes. This is very easy. Front of today's notes. Ready? We're going to sing one more time right there. Let's trace and sing at the same time. If tangent to a radius, if tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. Got it? Now, using that, okay, yes. Remember, in these circles round, you can always draw in radii. You can move radii around. Why can you do it? Because they're all congruent. That should be the first thing you want for your radii congruent. Off the back. Ready? Now down here, please, in the circle below, I'd like you to trace and hatch mark the radii. Go. Trace and hatch mark the radii. Trace and hatch mark the radii. Okay, now double check that you did it correctly. Your radii is O to C and O to where? No, that's not a radius. O to B. Okay, that's your hatch marks. Okay, it says right here, the radius length is 6, so I'm going to put a 6 right there, cm. Our AB length, which is just from here to here, is 4 centimeters. Please don't shout out how to do this, because I'm going to ask for 1 minute of silence, and I want you to do, guys, get out your calculators. I'm going to give you guys a gift. Listen carefully. I will allow you as long as you write down what you're computing. So if you're honestly using a calculator for 2-digit addition and subtraction, I still expect you to write it down. Okay? All righty. On that note, I want to see what you do all by yourself. You have 1 minute. Do whatever you can. Go. Do not shout out the answer. If you're under a minute, you can raise your hand and I'll give you a nod whether or not you're correct. This is what no likes to that's it. Your goal is to give you a nod if you're correct and you can move on to another part. Yeah, just yes, no. Okay. Yes, no. Okay. Oh, you are there. Yes. Nope. I will go over this in about 10 seconds, folks. I will go over this in about 10 seconds. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes. No. Ready? Take a peek. Look up here, guys. Step number 1. You always trace your radii. So if this is 6, this is 6. 3 of you did not see this. This, folks, is 10. Then, if tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge. Let's pull it out. That's 10. That's 6. That's x. Joseph, say it with me. Have 2 sides, need 3rd side. Beautiful. X squared 6 squared, 10 squared. Got it? Okay. X equals a big fat what, folks? Bingo. Okay. Let's do another example. Go to the right. Step 1, I'd like you to trace all the way by go. Jody, you're just going to finish and get a sign off, right, ma'am? From another unit? Give me a second. We'll figure out what's going on here. Alrighty, guys. So you should hatch, hatch, hatch. How many of you got those right? Now, I'd like you to trace this or shade it. Trace or shade. Trace or shade. Ready. Carl, what kind of triangle is that, ma'am? Look at the yellow. Look, no, angle, triangle there, triangle. Yes. So step 1, besides marking congruent radii, which you should always watch out for isosceles triangles. And if we have 2 sides, we also have 2 angles. Great. Start working on that. I'm going to land on people in about 10 seconds. All right, Jonathan, what'd you get, sir? 38 it is. We have 38 and 38 because that's going to be 76 divided by 2. Another thing I want you to watch out for your linear pairs. That gets overlooked, so put that in the margin, go like that, straight lines. So now I want you to find the dark green. Go. 10 seconds, I'll land on someone. Dark green. Sorry, what's that? See what it is. Good deal. 142. Let's see what else we can do here. Is it 150? No, because it's 2 gets to the 40 and 140. Okay, ready? Sing and trace. If tangent to a radius, radius of tangent to a radius, right angle at the edge, grand. We have ourselves an isosceles triangle, so we have a quad here. Anybody see anything else? Where? No, not the right angle. Where do you see a right triangle? Got it, yeah. Guys, that's the last thing I want you to watch out for. Watch out for giant right triangles. Which, if this is 38, find me that squiggle. What squiggle? The purple squiggle. Do you see giant right triangle? Got it? Okay. Good deal. Avery, what'd you get for that, ma'am? Purple. 38? Tridender. See, right here's 38, right here is something. There's a right angle there. Larissa, what is it there? No. Try again, Aaliyah. This is 52, folks. 52. Great. How to get 52? Do you see the giant purple? Got it. Oh, there we go. Okay, last one. There's another 180. That makes that 76. Okay, well, physically trace the giant right triangle. Giant right triangle. That's 38, so that has to be 52. Okay, yes, it is. This last one, all I'm going to do is come up with a few. the over. When you're done, point to the answer. I'll tell you if you're correct. No, this isn't extra credit. It's too easy. But I'll just raise your hand when you're done. Do not share your answers, but I will color code it for you. This is a tan-tan, which means from here to here is the same as there to there. And I color code it for you. Head to hands touching, head to hands touching. Those are also equal. Head to hands touching here, heads to hand touching, that's another tan-tan. Those are equal. I've color coded it for you. Your job is this. Find all the segments, and then I ultimately want the perimeter of the triangle. So I want the perimeter of the triangle right there, folks. Put your finger on your paper when you're done. I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Give me just a second to stop my video. Do your own work, folks.